Hey there viewers, welcome back to another exciting journey with me, your host, on this extraordinary channel. Today, I am thrilled to guide you through the majestic wonder that is the Taj Mahal. Prepare to be captivated by its enchanting beauty and rich history as we explore every intricate detail of this iconic masterpiece. Standing tall in all its grandeur, the Taj Mahal is an architectural marvel located in Agra, India. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Let's dive into why this structure, dating back to the 17th century, continues to leave the world in awe. As we approach, we are greeted by the gleaming marble exterior, radiating opulence in every glance. Did you know that 22,000 artisans dedicated their skills to bring this masterpiece to life? The delicate calligraphy, intricate carvings, and breathtaking symmetry make the Taj Mahal a true gem of Islamic architecture. The shimmering white marble is not merely a decorative choice, it serves a purpose too. This precious stone keeps the building cool in the scorching summer and exudes a warm hue during sunrise and sunset, adding to the ethereal ambience of the Taj Mahal. Now, let's take a stroll through the sprawling Mughal gardens that embrace the monument. The gardens themselves are a sight to behold, meticulously planned and featuring reflective pools that perfectly mirror the grandeur of the Taj Mahal. This symmetrical paradise has inspired countless filmmakers, poets, and artists from around the world. Stepping inside, we discover the opulence and grace that awaits within. The main chamber holds the tombs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, adorned with intricate precious stone inlays. The exquisite lattice screens, known as jalis, allow sunlight to create a mesmerizing interplay of shadows, casting a magical aura over the interior. Beyond the architectural magnificence, the Taj Mahal symbolizes a timeless love story. Shah Jahan's unconditional love for his wife Mumtaz Mahal is forever enshrined within these ivory white walls. It is a testament to the power of love, reminding us of the eternal beauty that lies within personal connections. Whether it's the tender pink hues of sunrise or the majestic golden glimmers at sunset, the Taj Mahal effortlessly transforms its appearance throughout the day. This ever-changing spectacle truly leaves visitors in awe, making it a photographer's paradise and a haven for all who seek solace and tranquility. Millions of tourists from all corners of the globe visit the Taj Mahal every year, eager to witness its unparalleled beauty. Can you imagine being one of those lucky individuals who can say they've stood before this architectural treasure? Before we conclude our incredible journey, I urge you to add the Taj Mahal to your travel bucket list. Experience the magic, the charm, and the sheer magnificence of this UNESCO World Heritage Site for yourself. Trust me, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. Next, I want to take you on an extraordinary journey to a land known for its breathtaking beauty, Kashmir. Sit back, relax, and let's embark on an enchanting virtual trip together. Our journey begins amidst the majestic mountains that surround Kashmir, making it one of the most picturesque destinations in the world. Snow-capped peaks stand tall, creating a serene and awe-inspiring backdrop that will leave you in complete wonder. Now, let's glide through the calm waters of the Dal Lake. This iconic lake, with its floating gardens and vibrant houseboats, is not only a sight to behold but also a source of livelihood for the locals. Imagine waking up to the gentle ripples of the lake and a breathtaking sunrise. It's truly a paradise on earth. As we venture further, let's step into the world of colors, where nature expresses itself in its most vibrant form. Lush meadows, colorful tulip gardens, and endless fields of saffron will captivate your senses, making you feel like you've stumbled upon a dreamland. Not to mention the diverse wildlife that calls Kashmir home, including the majestic Kashmir stag and the elusive snow leopard. As we delve deeper into Kashmir's allure, we discover a culture deeply rooted in history and tradition. From exquisite handcrafted shawls to intricately designed wooden artwork and the vibrant Kashmiri cuisine, this land is a treasure trove of art and cultural heritage. Don't forget to tantalize your taste buds with the flavors of saffron-infused rice, aromatic kebabs, and the famous Kashmiri tea. While Kashmir is known for its physical beauty, it also offers a spiritual haven for those seeking peace and tranquility. The serene atmosphere surrounding ancient temples, mosques, and shrines will transport you to a realm of calmness and spiritual awakening. If you're an adventure enthusiast, Kashmir has countless thrilling activities to offer. Whether it's trekking through the mesmerizing valleys, skiing down pristine slopes, or whitewater rafting in the gushing rivers, there's an adventure waiting for everyone. Get ready for an adrenaline rush like no other. Finally, let's talk about the people of Kashmir, who will effortlessly make you feel like family. Known for their warm hospitality and genuine kindness, they add an extra layer of warmth to this already enchanting place. Their heartfelt smiles and willingness to share their culture will leave an everlasting impression on your heart. Sadly, our virtual journey through the magical land of Kashmir must come to an end. But fear not, whether you're an avid traveler or an armchair explorer, the beauty of Kashmir will always be just a click away. Remember to spread the word about this hidden gem and inspire others to explore and appreciate the wonders this world has to offer. Thank you, amazing viewers, for joining me on this awe-inspiring journey through the beauty of the Kashmir and Taj Mahal. Don't forget to share these videos with your friends, tap that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and spreading the wonder of the world.